Hey there, super quick one today. We are going to learn Just Like Fire by Pink in hopefully under 1 minute. Are you ready? We are going to kick it off with an E minor. Right, so E minor. 1, 2, and up. So down, 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 up. C, twice. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and a 3 and. Then we've got a G. Right? So if we do the G around this way, it'll be easy to get there, right? So 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Now, then you go, and then A minor, right? Now, at the very beginning of the song, it just plays a G, A minor, but into the song when it's a bit busier, okay? So we have the whole thing, E minor, C, G, A minor, E minor. Right, that is it, right? Now, the only other section is when there's a rap over there, I think for 8 bars, and it basically goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it hits the E, 4, 1, E minor, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is it. Did I make it in under a minute? I'm not quite sure I did, but thanks so much for watching. My name's Simon. Please do subscribe, hit the bell. There are lessons every single week here at Simon Morel Guitar. See you next time. Bye.